Hey everyone, this is Chris with PDX Code Guild. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to install Python on your Mac computer. We're going to do this with a tool called Homebrew. The first thing that we need to do is open up our web browser and look up Homebrew. If you find yourself at brew.sh, you're in the right place. Copy the text to install Homebrew. Next, we're going to open our terminal with Command space and type terminal. Once our terminal is opened, we're going to paste our code that we copied from the website. It will then ask you for your computer's password. When you type in your computer's password, don't worry if it doesn't show up. It's hidden so no one can see your password. Depending on your internet and computer speed, this may take some time. Once Homebrew is installed, we'll install Python 3 by typing brew install Python 3. Once Python is installed, we will verify that everything is working correctly by typing python 3 version. And that's it! You've finished installing Python 3. Congratulations!